Do you really know who your most valuable Shopify customers are, or which ones quietly fade away? A lot of store owners guess, but you don't have to. Shopify's Customer Reports gives you who buys, how often they come back, and how much they've actually spent. So in today's video, we're going to walk through the 4 essential reports that every Shopify store should be using, and how these reports can reshape the way you understand your customers and how to turn these numbers into real meaningful decisions. To access them, go to Shopify, Analytics, under Reports, look for Customers. You'll see 11 customer-focused reports tracking purchase, loyalty, and repeat behavior. First up, the most insightful one, returning customers. Before we open it, these are the default fields that makes the report powerful. Customer name, customer email, email subscription status, first order date, last order date, total number of orders, and total amount spent. Returning customer report basically highlights every repeat buyer along with their entire purchase history. If you sort by total amount spent, you'll instantly see who your VIP customers are. Sort by last order date, and you can spot who's been active recently. It's a simple but extremely effective way to plan your loyalty rewards, create targeted campaigns, and just to understand who keeps your business moving. Now, if you want to take the returning customer report a bit deeper, this is where things get really interesting. In Report Pundit's returning customer report, you can see how customers behave over time and not just how much they have spent. You can bring in details like the first order date, second order date, third order date, and even subsequent orders, the products purchased in each of these orders, the first channel the customer used to buy from you, and even the average time between their orders. When you layer in these fields, the report stops being just a list. It becomes a timeline of your customer journey. You'll start seeing patterns. Which product brings back customer? How long a customer typically takes before reordering, and which channel attracts long-term buyers. There's also a returning customer rate over time summary tracking month-over-month retention. Next, new versus returning customers. This compares your new buyers with repeated buyers, so you can balance between acquisition and retention. In case if you want to filter by channel, like POS or online store, then you can refer the Report Pundit application. Here's the game changer. Shopify now includes RFM Customer Analysis report by default. Every customer gets a score across 3 categories, ranging from 1 to 5, 5 being the best. R stands for recency, how recently they've purchased. F stands for frequency, how often they buy. And M, monetary, how much they have spent. For example, a score of 555 means champion customer, whereas 154 means previously loyal customer. Shopify breaks your customers into 11 RFM categories like champions, loyal customers, potential loyalists, at risk, recent customer, dormant, and more. This makes it super easy to see who's actively engaged and who might need a little extra attention. Shopify's Customer Reports gives you the full picture: who your customers are, how often they purchase, and how much they spend. Just review these reports each month to keep an eye on retention, lift your CLV, and plan campaigns that actually move the needle. But what if you want everything in one report? No switching between reports, no stitching between orders and products. That's where Report Pundit's Customer Information Report comes in. It pulls in all the fields that you manually piece in together into one clean, comprehensive grid. Let me walk you through the report. Report Pundit's Customer Information Report gives you customer details, customer type, that is first time or returning customer, customer address, the first order channel the customer used, first order products, first order dates, their lifetime order count, their lifetime spent, and you can also include meta fields, line item properties in this report, along with payment gateways, transaction details, and you can run this report on any date. And you can filter it, export it, or even schedule it hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly basis. The result is fully customizable 360-degree customer view. This is something Shopify's native reports can't show in one screen. Thanks for watching. Start exploring smarter customer insights with Shopify's customer reports and extend with reporting application if you need a unified view.